Hello friends, today I'll show you something very interesting, best out of waste, and it's an art of planting small plants, and you can gift. As these days many people are giving plants as gifts. So here I have taken the curd boxes, and I have used them for planting small plants as it is rainy season. So I'll be planting tulsi in this plastic pots of curd, and here I'm taking one tulsi, and I have filled the curd boxes with mud, and you can make a hole, a small hole down in that pot, and then you can plant different variety of oxygen giving plants which can be kept inside our home as decoration. Here I want to tell you one very interesting thing about the curd container cap. You have to keep it safely. Now after pouring water with love and divine energy into plants, you can keep this curd container cap below this pot. See, as you keep this cap, it looks so beautiful, and it has one more advantage. Wherever you keep this plant, the below area will always be neat when you pour water into the plant, and you can plant like this many oxygen plants into this pot and give your friend. This is a beautiful gift for all your friends, and here are my contact details. I am a fine art MFA, and I teach many professional certificate courses online, offline, and you can see my other videos in my channel and join different courses. For more information, do click the link of my website below in the description. Keep watching for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.